Hey Dressage Superstars, today I'm going to answer the question, how do you do an amazing canter halt transition in your dressage test? Okay, so step one is always enter on the side that your horse is naturally straighter at. Makes sense, yeah? Every horse has a naturally straighter side and a naturally more crooked side. And if you're trying to come down the centre line for a 10 and be dead straight, nail it, you want to go on your horse's easier side. So this is Wessel's easier side. Come down. And you can see that is hopefully, I'm going to go do the other side now. So this side is his more crooked side. I find it harder to keep him dead straight. So hopefully you'll see the difference. Ooh, so I found it even hard to nail the centre line. And I just find it harder to keep his hind legs. Remember, you should only see two legs as I come down the centre line. His front legs, his back legs should be way behind the front legs. And you can see that, hopefully, that second one was harder to keep straight than the first one. So step one, always enter on your easiest side. Loving this learning? Make sure you click the subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Step two, the success of your halt transition depends on the canter before it. So don't come down your centre line already in collected canter. Create some energy and then collect the canter. And when you practice at home, just make it that they can see, he felt the halt was coming. Make it that you can stay in collected canter to prepare for your halt, but don't actually do the halt. That trains the horse to sit and wait for you to stay on his hind legs, which means that when he actually does halt, he's going to stay on his hind legs and therefore do a nice square halt for you and not fall on the forehand and make an ugly kind of canter walk fall halt. So remember, down the centre line, create some energy, collect the canter, and then step three is don't use your hands for halt, just sit. And I'm hoping that's square. And that was me paying attention to what I was talking to you guys. So he took an extra step, don't let that happen. And that is how you do it, guys. Go practice, go enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Today's episode gave you huge value. I would love to invite you to a free class I've created for you to help you look and feel like a Grand Prix dressage rider in as little as 3 rides per week. Don't worry if you don't have a good enough horse. In secret number 1, I'll tell you why that doesn't even matter. I'll tell you how to do it in only 3 rides, and I'll also tell you the secret you need to know to make sure you're doing in your riding to accelerate your results and get you to the next level. I can't wait to have you on the class. It's completely free, my gift to you. Click on the link to sign up.